Now, a court in Saudi Arabia has delivered its verdict in the trial over the death of journalist Jamal Khashoggi. CGTN's Michal Bardavit has more on the ruling from Istanbul.
Saudi officials have stated that Jamal Khashoggi's killing was the result of a rogue operation. Now, 11 people were sent to trial. Out of those, 5 people were given a death sentence and 3 were given a jail term of 24 years. However, we do not have the details of who these people are because they have not been named. However, Saudi officials did not charge one critical name, Saud al-Qahtani, who was a top aide to Mohammed bin Salman, who is the crown prince. And it's important to note that Mohammed bin Salman had actually accepted responsibility for the killing of Jamal Khashoggi, but only because it was committed by people working for the government, but he has denied any personal involvement with the murder. Meanwhile, there's been a harsh reaction from Turkey's foreign ministry. They've stated that the ruling falls short of their expectations, of the expectations of the international community. They've stated that there's still unanswered questions such as the fate of Jamal Khashoggi's body, who was the mastermind behind the murder, and who were the local collaborators. They're saying that the ruling was a violation of the principle of accountability and that they still expect cooperation by Saudi prosecutors. Meanwhile, there was criticism by international organizations. Let's listen to a comment made by the Reporters Without Borders.
We can't be happy with this result when the investigation was clearly botched, when the proceedings were held in secret, without it being possible to know what was being said, what the evidence was. In short, today we have convictions and acquittals, but it all seems rather discretionary.
There was also a reaction by UN Special Rapporteur Agnes Callamard, who had investigated Jamal Khashoggi's killing and had concluded that the royal family should be further investigated. She gave a reaction on Twitter stating that the ruling was a mockery and that the masterminds had walked free. I'm Michal Bardavit for CGTN in Istanbul.